Provisions for bad or doubtful clients. In the last lessons, we saw adjustments for inventory, that is stocks, and for amortization. And we reached the following trial balance with the 15 standard accounts and these adjustments for stocks and amortization. This trial balance shows us our assets and liabilities, and among our assets we have a client, Sally, that owes us 500 euros. The question is, what would we do if we thought that there is a likelihood Sally doesn't pay? What would we do if we thought there is a likelihood Sally doesn't pay? Well, let's consider the case if it is sure that Sally will not pay. In that case, we must make what's called a write-off. This is how it goes. This is our firm. Sally's IOU will be cancelled because it vanishes and somehow will consume the value of this Sally's IOU. So in this case, we credit the debtor's account, which in our example is Sally's account, credit 500 euros. That will somehow cancel the last 500 euros she owed us. And we debit a new account called provisions for bad or doubtful clients. Debit 500 euros. The new trial balance would look like this. Now Sally's line has a balance of 0, and there is this new account, provision for bad or doubtful clients, 500 euros here. And by the way, the totals didn't change because we had 500 here and nothing here, and now we have nothing here and 500 here. Instead of crediting directly the debtor's account, we could also credit a new account called provisions for bad or doubtful clients, BS. It would be more standard because it makes it easier to remember this special fact. But in any case, the income statement would become this. We have the sales, 7,000, the cost of goods sold, the various normal costs, amortization that we saw, and this new cost, provision for bad or doubtful clients, IS, 500. So the loss here is 2,620. If we think that there is still a probability that Sally pay, we may pass only a provision for, say, 50% of her IOU, in which case the entries would be this. In the provisions for bad or doubtful clients, IS would debit only 250, and in the provision for bad or doubtful clients, BS would credit the same amount.